Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question that pops up all the time. How do you withdraw funds from TradingView? If you've ever wondered about moving your money out of TradingView, or maybe you're just getting started and you want to understand how the platform works with your actual funds, this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how funding and withdrawals really work on TradingView, and you'll avoid a super common mistake that can confuse even experienced traders. Alright, let's jump right in together. So first things first, go ahead and open up TradingView. I know a lot of you use TradingView for all kinds of things. Maybe you're tracking your favorite stocks, following crypto trends, or just exploring the charting tools. So it's totally natural, after seeing all those features, to assume you can actually deposit money or even withdraw it right from your TradingView account. But here's a key thing to understand. TradingView is actually not a broker. It's a powerful charting and technical analysis platform. Think of it like a really high-tech set of binoculars rather than a vault where your cash is stored. You use TradingView to analyze trades, plot your strategies, track price action, and keep up with the markets. But your actual funds, your real money, aren't sitting in TradingView. This is where a lot of folks get tripped up, especially if you're coming from other platforms where you can buy and sell right from your dashboard. With TradingView, you can link your brokerage account to the platform for convenience. That lets you place trades using TradingView's interface, but the actual money, depositing, withdrawing, all of that, is managed by your broker, not TradingView itself. So the next step is understanding what to do instead. If you want to withdraw funds, you need to go directly to your brokerage account. For example, let's say you use Interactive Brokers or Coinbase or any other broker. Whatever platform you use to fund your account and actually make trades is where your money lives and where you'll handle deposits and withdrawals. TradingView just gives you the window. You see all your positions, your charts, your analysis, but handling your cash requires logging into your broker's own site or app. Now, I know this might be a bit confusing at first. Maybe you've been seeing your account balance or tracking positions inside TradingView, and it almost feels like everything should be handled in one spot. But just think of TradingView as your control center. It's where you plan the mission, but the rockets, your actual funds, are sitting in the launchpad, which is your broker. If you ever try to look for a withdraw or cash out button inside TradingView and can't find it, don't worry. That's completely normal because that option just doesn't exist here. The platform is all about giving you the tools to make informed trading decisions, not about storing or managing your money directly. So to recap, you cannot withdraw funds directly from TradingView because it's not a bank or a broker, it's your toolkit for analysis. To cash out, always go to your connected brokerage account. I hope that clears things up and saves you some time and guesswork. If this video helped demystify things for you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about TradingView or you're still not sure how your broker connects, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. I've got lots more coming to help you navigate the world of trading and investing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.